In this video, we will watch how jets refuel. For example, we will watch an F-15 refueling. There are several ways. Even though the method is a bit risky, we are very confident that the fighter jet pilot has mastered it. Let's watch. How much fuel does an F-15 hold? For extended range, the F-15E is fitted with two conformal fuel tanks that hug the fuselage to produce lower drag than conventional underwing or underbelly drop tanks. They carry 750 U.S. gallons, means 2,800 liters of fuel, and house 6 weapons hardpoints in 2 rows of 3 in tandem. Apart from daytime refueling can be done at night. Of course, at night, refueling will be more difficult, but because we are very well trained, it shouldn't be a problem. Let's check it out.
Number is 96204. Copy, 96204. Stable.
Steering out astern, looking for 10K, please.
Copy that. You're clear to contact when you're ready.
Steering out.
Twenty. 10. 5. Contact.
This is the most extraordinary part. How is it possible for them to take turns refueling in the air, and it seems so easy for them to do it? Yes, I believe so too. Here's what it looks like. Don't forget to follow this channel by subscribe, like, comment, and share.